like drum emoji. I need you to survive. Yeah, these niggas two-faced and that's on bro, they be like drum emoji. I'm nigga that pop out by my sucker for who coming for me. I wanna like, damn, who the fuck told Noodle to switch up on me like that? They say I went dangerous in high school, they don't even know me like that. Called out my city, let's do better, we got the whole world watching. I fuckin' with 24 Heavy with Samo back in my days in Clayco. He's son Dion, like nigga, remember you don't know me. I'm like, damn, say bet, okay bro. And when Nala told me to lay low, and it seemed like shit got a little hot. I was getting death threat, they were flying. Like I became the enemy of every rapper in Atlanta all of a sudden. No pressure, I put up my peace, love and light and brought in them guns. I'm ready, hope they ain't expecting Omar to run. I put in the word, it's already done. These niggas too faking that's on phone and I show love to y'all. I'm a real nigga, ain't never wanna see my nigga Paper Love fall. But I couldn't get a feature for Paper Love, he wouldn't even fuck with me. But every video I ever shot for bro, I shot that shit for free. Put it on y'all mama, I wasn't the nigga that y'all could call on. Folks will use you up, but then it's fuck you when it's all gone. Bittersweet, now that I'm the one they got their eyes on. Cause I've been slept on, stepped on, hated on it, then lied on it. Hurts, at least at first, but then you start getting pissed off. Then you start calling names, you like fuck everybody till your dick off. I wonder why J. Cole didn't want to sign a nigga. I was 18, but I'm glad, cause looking back, a nigga had it bad, and now I'm doing great things, and it's all good. I'm still in the hood, it made me paranoid. I ain't scared of niggas, I'm a threat to nigga, but I know they gon' shoot cause they scared boys, so I keep mine. Meanwhile, screaming guns down. Some call that contradiction, I call that intuition. I call that I'ma live as long as I can so that I can finish the mission. I'm not Amber Light, but niggas still can't be green when you in this position. I'm talking to myself in the future like, damn, little nigga, why didn't you listen? These people, they evil, these humans, is vicious. I ain't doing no shows, I feel like everybody trying to set me up, so nah. I know the Fed be tapping all my phones and every fucking call. I'm already knowing they want me locked and gone forever for the law. They got agents in the conscious community, I never fuck with y'all. Why the fuck would I scream free Rashad Jamal? He wasn't screaming out free Doc. Why the fuck would I follow 19 keys? That part of us still locked. Nigga done got in they feeling cause I've been revealing that they ain't no shit but guap. But them niggas just marketed different than y'all get a ticket to listen to niggas just talk, and that ain't it. I say they name cause I want them to feel me, and I'm throwed off for real, they gon' have to kill me, and then long live me, you feel me? I spoke on YSL, I spoke on Thugger being inside that cell without no bail. With just his voice to creep around his head, he loud as hell. When he come out that bitch and finally hell, only time will tell. But well, until then, I call that guy's work. I said fuck drip, promoting killings, leaving these lies hurt. Crazy how Trouble, PNB, and Takeoff had to die first. For y'all celebrities to admit this shit done fucked us up. But instead of labor money to cover expenses, we doing fish fries. Meanwhile, the NOI making money off us on the west side. Bean pie, we didn't know why they wouldn't come help us, but they chastised the police ride. But they don't be all in the hood cause they don't even care about crime. I don't see why we can't police our own communities. Call Farrakhan, and I teach my brothers to carry guns cause niggas ain't shooting fair ones. I love y'all. Shit, I need you to survive. Anybody that I mention is still love, but it's like why? All I did was challenge us to do better while we alive. I spoke the truth and now y'all folk want me to die. Why? Like, I need you to survive. Anybody that I mention is still love, but it's like why? All I did was challenge us to do better while we alive. I spoke the truth and now y'all folk want me to die. Why? Hard. Fuck that, bring the beat back. I need you to survive. It's from the heart, shit. I love y'all. I need you to survive. I'm saying I'm really on that, but I'm really on that. All I wanted was to run these streams up so that we could buy land. I had a song called Draco Halo with brother Eastside I Am. You can see us in my caution video, cause we were like fam. Till he started fucking with Tory Lanez, Jacquees and Birdman. The energy switched up then. He started attacking my doctor like he ain't give his life for our people and sacrifice all the luxuries niggas take for granted. Why y'all acting like y'all the spiritual fathers? Why you think we call Malachi Baba? If you can't solve it for you, I could do the math, but why bother? Face to face, Teresa Islam about the action. I thought he would see my light, but he looked over me and perhaps I was taller or a part of the nation he repped. He would've passed me $1 or maybe a quarter or a penny or a tag or a follow or maybe a comment or a share. Anything but just a stare, anything but just a handshake and let's take the picture quickly. I ain't tripping, I just hate how niggas did me. Like you don't know the son of God when you hear his voice and it's not gonna. I ain't saying my name Jesus, this Omari, that's my mama, that's Selena. So the light gave birth to the highest priest again. Am I speaking clearly? I incarnate every, nah, fuck it, they don't even hear me. See, it was days a nigga ain't had nobody to talk to, not even serious. My tea's going cold, I wonder why it hurt my spirit, knowing they kill us or imprison us and the people don't even care. They try to hit me with a sentence, I'ma run on, and I mean period. With y'all picture on the wall, it just remind me it could be worse than. I wish they ain't kill Sabian, leave us with all these little herbal men. We don't even got healers out here now, just veggie products for our purchasing, just a new hustle. All I hear is 2 for $5, bit bro, I got them Perkies in. These niggas really be dinosaurs, just like Barney without the purple skin. Snakes in the grass, snakes in the street, snakes in the wind. When you really shine, they love when you down, hate when you win. We got niggas from the shot to Atlanta imitating the land. They must not know the land been linking in. United we stand. If you know, you know Nipsey was bringing the shit together, one of them men. That documentary wasn't even all they were worried about what it playing. Niggas talking about they been building, I ain't You know how this lifespan ish go, ain't nothing shorter than. Other words, no matter how this story end, it's all good, muy bien. Inshallah, let this war begin. And to whoever left who listening, I need you to survive. And I ain't never been no vegan, but I think it's truly wise. Just cause you see me fuck a 10-piece up don't mean I'm losing vibes. I want my people off them burgers and them pizzas and them fries too. But why you think I put them on that fast? Cause even if they ain't vegan and they do that, they still can reach critical mass. Be careful how you handle the masses, they really fragile. Remember, y'all was asleep before somebody came and grabbed y'all like, damn. I need you to realize I ain't scared of death cause everybody dies. I ain't scared to step cause every time we scribe, it ain't nothing left to tell on how we slide. Yeah, I know folk like, damn, why the fuck he going Vietnam? They don't even know when I drop on, that's just me being calm. She spelling I like EYE, she thinks she me a song. She never had love from G.O.D, she thinks she need a song. He talking about ain't no competition like I'm in a bit of compete a song. Like I ain't on some shit that I ain't speaking on. They think of Faye want a traveler, that mean that he be gone. I know they hate cause how I'm great, they don't wanna see me on. But if you hear this shit, just remember I need you to survive. Remember I need you to survive. Remember I need you to survive. Remember I need you to survive.